would have noticed a sell-by date or best-by date on your carton of eggs. At times, those dates aren't always the answer to know if the eggs are spoiled or not. Here's how you can know for certain if your eggs are fresh. Eggshells are very porous, so as time goes by, the egg loses moisture, causing its contents to shrink. At the same time, a small air pocket inside the shell starts to expand, causing the egg to float in water. Hope you enjoyed these NIHERST SCI-FACTS. Join us again soon.